Alright, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have another Eldorado. I decided to go ahead and buy another one since I liked the gold one I had so much, and I just finally decided to make a video of this new one new to me I got here, and I'm gonna detail it in this video and get it ready for a car show that I'm gonna bring it to, and I got all the detailing products right here, and the shop vac, of course. And tomorrow I'm gonna get it touched up from all these chips it's got on it, so stuff like that. And what else am I gonna do? Gonna get it touched up, gonna get it detailed. It needs to be washed pretty desperately. Yeah, the interior as well actually needs to be cleaned up. Got the rags ready. It's a pretty clean one. This one has heated seats. Got heated seats, got memory seats, and yeah, oh, it's an ESC, so that stands for Eldorado Sport Coupe, and these ones are a little bit more rare. This one has only the half vinyl top versus the full one that my gold one had. I liked the gold one. The gold one was not a bad car. It did have a couple of overheating issues, and it had a couple of other things as well. But this one has the same interior as the gold one. So you got that. And then this one came with a couple of other fun things. Don't mind all of that. Oh, okay. Yeah. So this one, where am I going to place this? Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. This one came from Escondido, California. Young Pontiac Cadillac. Yeah. Came with a bunch of other stuff that my other one didn't come with. Got the pen, and then you got the book, all that fun stuff. But it does need to be detailed pretty desperately. Let me just take that out completely. Yeah. Same goes for the seats. The outside is pretty filthy, but the biggest part about this one is that, let me see if I can just, no, okay, that's fine. See that stain right there? Yeah, that's gotta come out. And I think the only way to get that out is to take the seat out entirely. Now, let me see here. I'm just going to put this back. And that rubber one can just stay there. That's fine. But under the hood, if we go under there, oh yeah, the ashtray is stuck open. And the only way to make that ashtray, the only way, sorry, I'm a little tired. The only way to make this ashtray go down, since it doesn't go down, is to take up this plastic trim piece. And because I'm getting ready for a car show, I have to do that because I want it to look nice. And if it doesn't look nice, which is why, oh yeah, now you can see it a little better. Oh yeah. Yeah. And then down here. And then you got like, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. That's a split right there near the fog light. And if you pop the hood, pretty clean, right? But then you look right there, and yeah, that's gone. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. And my local GM dealer decided to tell me, no, we don't carry those. Thanks again. And trunk, well, what's the trunk like? I've been driving it quite a bit, so yeah, it's kind of filthy. What does the trunk look like? Well, let's figure it out. So, we got the other two back floor mats. We got a mat back here, which is no big deal. And then, you know, Fram filter that came with the car, and then spare tire. And your soft close still works, thankfully. I looked at a 92 and the soft close did not work. It was $500 for a new soft close motor, and I did not feel like doing a soft close motor on one of these because I didn't feel like messing with all of the stuff to take it apart. So there's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video here. Let me give a good once around. So, oh, another thing. I didn't finish it, but I'm painting the Pirelli sign white because I did these in white and it looks really nice, but these came factory white. These are raised white letter Goodyear Wranglers. So there's that. So I'm gonna do the outside of the car tomorrow. I'm gonna do the inside today. So this will kind of be a two-part video. But anyways, though, no, it actually is filthy, though. I don't know if you can't tell, really. You can't tell, but yeah, no, you can't tell. Okay. The color blends it well. I don't even know what color code this is in the GM book of colors, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pause the video here and I'm going to go ahead and start detailing it, and I will come back as I make progress because I don't really have any good thing to set you guys up on to watch me do this. So for now, this is what the interior looks like, and I know it doesn't look bad, but I'm telling you, once you take up the floor mat, you can kind of see what's going on. So there's that, and I'm gonna condition these seats and make them look a lot nicer. So yeah, I'll come back and let's see how it goes. Yeah, I know that floor mat's kind of just sitting there like that. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're halfway through. I've got the floor almost done. As you can see here, I haven't moved on to the dashboard yet, or the seats, but the seats are going to get conditioned. I've got some Chemical Guys products I think I'm going to use on these seats. They worked well on my Saab that I used to have, so this floor mat was especially dirty right here. Sorry about the barking in the background. Those are just my neighbor's dogs, but anyways though, not bad, huh? Like, really good. Especially that one right there. see how this hidden console is back here, if it's kind of dirty or not. Oh, hell. Looks like it's hardly even been used. Probably can't see in there because it's dark. But anyway, though. Oh, ashtrays have never been used either. You can tell the front one's never been used, and someone threw out the cig lighter right there. So that'll never get used ever again. Rear air vents. So anyways, I'll come back when we're a little bit further along in the progress. Alright guys, the floor has been vacuumed. I haven't dusted it yet though, so I don't know if you can tell, but it is pretty, well, you can't really tell, but it's kind of dusty in here. Let me move that steering wheel down a bit. It is kind of dusty in here, but not horrible. When I bought it, it was actually a little bit more horrible. I kind of vacuumed it already, but I used the Meguiar's quick detailer wipes. I hope this won't be too harsh on this plastic, because I once had some of this black plastic kind of just go gray on me and decolor a few times, which was kind of just bad. I couldn't really do anything about it either, which was kind of sad, but I don't know, let's test it and see what happens. Nah, it shouldn't do too bad, I don't think. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of already gray, not really black, so yeah, got the back seats done and vacuumed out most of the dirt in the car. Yeah, gonna just mostly do the finishing touches. I will come back tomorrow, and because it's about 8:30, I would say right now, and I'm tired and I want to go inside, so I'll finish up here and I'll show you guys the results of the detail. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, please. I'd appreciate it, that'd be nice. And I'll definitely be making more videos of this car, because I plan on keeping it a bit longer. Man, these Eldorados are becoming really, really hard to find, and I don't even know if I'd find another one. Because the first one that I had, that gold one, which was a total base model, this is an ESC, as I mentioned, that stands for Eldorado Sport Coupe. That one was hard to find, the gold one. That one was hard to find already, but this was even harder to find. Like, off the top, I don't even think the guy I bought this from, I don't even know if he knew it was an ESC, which is what I mentioned what it was, but anyways, though, I don't even know if he knows that this was an ESC, but he sold it to me as just an Eldorado. And he didn't tell me a whole lot about it, but I think he mentioned that he was the third owner, and I'm the fourth, so yeah. Anyways, I'll come back with the cleaning results, and yeah. Alright guys, this is where we're at with it. I'm kind of tired for the day. I will come back tomorrow and I will finish this up, but so far it's looking quite good. I'll have to get up really early, but so far the progress is quite nice. However, though, I will start it up for you guys, and I will let you hear it run, since that's usually what I would do anyway. Ridiculous. There we go. Runs just as nice as the other one did. Oh. Turn off that radio. Trunk open, yeah, no one cares. don't know why it blows foam out of the air vents sometimes, but it happens. Oh, and also, I forgot to mention, there's some cracks over there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Got cold AC, got everything. And the heated seats do work. Yeah. So I will be back tomorrow. Let's give you one last view of the car. I think I just knocked my camera against the door. Yeah, I will be back tomorrow, and I'm just gonna throw everything in the trunk, honestly, and then I'm just gonna probably call it a night, because yeah, I'm so tired right now. Yeah, we'll be back with an update next day.